Hello, the topic is stay smart, stay safe. Click with care, think twice. A safe internet is always nice. Password strong, keep them tight. Guard your info day and night. Links that shame may hide a trap. Post before you fall for that. Messages strange, don't reply. Report and block. Stay smart, stay smart. Share with caution. Keep it clean. Digital footprints can be seen. Browse with wisdom. Know the way. Stay safe online every day.